Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back to my channel if you're old. So today's tutorial is how to wear nude lipstick. Someone brought my attention to it on my Instagram in the comment section and said she doesn't really like wearing nude lipstick because she has full lips, and when she wears nude lipstick it makes her lips look bigger and fuller. And a couple of people also said they don't like to wear nude lipsticks because it feels like they wear chalk. Yes, so people really don't like wearing nude lipstick because they love it but they don't know how to wear it. So today I'm going to be showing you how to wear nude lipstick like this and not like this. So if you want to see how to wear your nude lipstick so that it could look sexy like this, so that it could look sweet, so that it could look like a chocolate baby, please keep watching. And if you want to see a tutorial on this hair and this look, don't go anywhere. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe link is down below. Just subscribe to my channel so that you'll be able to know when those videos go up. Don't go anywhere if you want to see how to wear nude lipstick right away. For this makeup tutorial, I'm going to be needing a nude gloss. This is from Glassy Cosmetics, and a Davis pencil in number 18. So I'm just going to sharpen it because it's a bit blunt. The first things you want to do is to make sure you line your lips whenever you're wearing a nude lipstick. You cannot just go in to wear a nude lipstick and without lining your lips. So it's either you line before or you line after. In first and line my lips with this Davis pencil in number 18. So I'm just going to line my lips beginning with my lower lip line. I'm going to be lining my lips from the outer corner from one outer corner to the other outer corner, and I'm going above to do the same thing on my lips as well. I'm going to be smacking very slightly lip gloss and apply it all over my lips. This is a liquid gloss. I didn't want to use a lipstick like in block form because a couple of people tend to use this and say they don't like wearing nude lipsticks. It's easier to wear nude lipsticks that are in block form, but it's had my lips moisturized before this tutorial, so I'm just going back to line the places where I had lip stain. So to just make this whole thing a bit neat, you might want to go in with a concealer or a foundation your shade just to apply the outer corners of your lips. So I'm going to be using my foundation because I don't want to waste time blending the outer corners of my lips. Brush to blend it all in. So if you feel you want to add more color to your lips, you can go apply more gloss at the center. So guys, that's how to wear a nude lipstick. You could do it's very easy. You could decide to do an ombre, you can decide to extend it always make sure that you line your lipstick before and after you apply your lipstick application. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you can go about wearing your nude lipsticks whenever you want to and however you want to. Do have a fabulous day ahead. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.